Dear students, this is Sister Sheila here. Now we are going to learn exercise 3.3, question number 5. Find all zeros of the polynomial x power 6 minus 3x power 5 minus 5x power 4 plus 22x cube minus 39x square minus 39x plus 135. If it is known that 1 plus 2i and root 3 are two of its zeros. Now the solution, let f of x is equal to, and we are taking the given equation as the f of x here. Now they have given the two roots of this equation. Here the degree of this equation is 6. When the degree of the equation is 6 means, and we have to find out 6 values for x. Here they have given the two values of x. We can take like x equal to 1 plus 2y. Another value of x is equal to root 3. We have to find out 4 more values of x, and that is called, we have to find out the zeros of this polynomial. Now the given the zero is, that is the value of x is 1 plus 2y is a 1 root, and 1 minus 2i is also a root. That is by theorem the 3.2 is saying that 1 plus 2i is a root means that's conjugate 1 minus 2i also a root. Similarly, root 3 is a root means minus root 3 is also a root by theorem 3.3. Here also this is a irrational number, and that for in the irrational number is a root means that conjugate also will become another root for the equation. So finally we got here 4 roots. One is 1 plus 2y, another one is a 1 minus 2y, and the third one is a root 3, and the fourth one is a minus root 3. Hence the factors of f of x are, we are writing by using these 4 values, we are writing them as the factors here. Now how to write as the factors means, like x equal to 1 plus and 2i means, and you have to bring to the left hand side, it will come as a minus, x minus of 1 plus 2i into, and this is another root is a 1 minus 2y. If you bring to the left hand side, it will become x minus of 1 minus 2y. The same way x minus root 3, and this minus root 3, we need to come to left hand side, it will become plus. That's why we got the another factor is here, x plus root 3. So by using the 4 values, we got the 4 roots here. Now we are going to multiply all these 4 roots. So here before multiplying, and here we are trying to separate them, the rational coefficients and the imaginary part here. This with the minus sign, when you multiply the inside here, you will get x minus 1 minus 2y. So we wrote here separately x minus 1 separately and minus 2y. Here also when you multiply with the minus sign, you will get minus 1 plus 2y. So here we wrote x minus 1 and plus 2y. X minus 1 separate, plus 2y. This is the imaginary part, and this is separate. And here x minus root 3 is there, and x plus root 3 is there. We are writing them as it is. The next step we could find out, and this is in the form of, suppose if we take x minus 1 as a 2y as a b, we could find out it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So we can write this one as a square minus b square. Now in the place of a is x minus 1 the whole square minus b is 2i the whole square. The same way here we could find out x minus root 3, x plus root 3. This also in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So we can write here like in the place of a square is a x square minus b square is a root 3 the whole square. Now we are trying to expand this x minus 1 the whole square. It is in the form of a minus b the whole square, that is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now if we expand, we are getting x square, that is a square is in the place of a, x is there, the place of b, 1 is there. So x square minus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square minus, now this is 2y the whole square. We are putting the power separately for these two numbers, that is 2 square into I square into here this is x square minus, when you find the square for the square root and square will be cancelled, the remaining will be 3 here. Now in the place of I square, we are going to substitute the value is equal to minus 1. Now if we substitute here, we are getting x square minus 2 into x into 1 will become 2x plus 1 square is a 1 minus 4 into the place of I square, when you substitute minus 1 into x cube minus, x square minus 2. So we have here x square minus 3. Now I think here when you simplify, we are getting x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 4 into x square minus 3. Now if you add these two, and we are getting x square minus 2x plus 5 into x square minus 3. Now we are going to multiply these two factors. First we are multiplying this factor by x square. X square into x square will become x power 4, plus into minus is a minus, x square into 3 will become 3x square. Next we are going to multiply these two terms by minus 2x. Minus 2x into x square will become minus 2x cube, and minus 2x into minus 3 will become plus 6x. Next we are multiplying these two terms by 5. 5 into x square is a plus 5x square, plus 5 into minus 3 will become minus 15. Now if you collect the like terms and simplify, we are getting x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 5x square minus 3x square will become plus 2x square plus 6x minus 15. Now to find the other factor, let us divide f of x by x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 2x square plus 6x minus 15. Now we are going to divide. The f of x is nothing but x power 6 minus 3x power 5 minus 5x power 4 plus 22x cube minus 39x square minus 39x plus 135. And this is the given equation. Now this one we are dividing by the factors what we found out is x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 2x square plus 6x minus 15. I think we know how to divide, and we have to take in the as a quotient here, and if you multiply this quotient and the first term, and we have to get the first term here. In the first term here x power 6 is there, but here the divisor x power 4 is there, and if you multiply this x power 4 by x square, then we can get x power 6. So I am writing in the quotient here x power 2, and here it is x power 4. If you multiply x power x square into x power 4 will become x power 6. Next you have to multiply with all the terms by x square. Now minus 2 into x cube into x square will become minus 2 into x power 5. I think while you are multiplying, when the bases are same, we have to add the powers. So we got here minus 2x power 5. And next one, if you multiply with this 2x square, you will get plus 2x power 4, and with 6x if you multiply plus 6x cube, and if you multiply with minus 3, we are get minus 15, we are getting minus 15x square. Now we are changing the sign, and in order to simplify, and here this is a plus will change into minus, minus will change into plus, here plus is changed into minus, here plus is changed into minus, and here is a minus change into plus. Now this x power 6 minus x power 6 both will be cancelled. The remaining will be here, this is a plus and this is a minus. We have to subtract these two and put the larger number sign. Here if you subtract minus 3x power 5 plus 2x power 5, we are getting minus x power 5. Here both are having the same sign, we can add and put this sign. So 5x power 4, 2x power 4 will become 7x power 4. Their sign is a minus sign, we are putting minus sign here. Next, these two are having the different sign, so we can subtract these two and put the larger number sign. Here the larger number is having plus, so I put here plus. 22 minus 6 will become 16x cube. Here also both are having the different sign. We have to subtract and put the larger number sign. Here the larger number is having minus sign, so minus 39 minus 15 will become 24x square. The next we are bringing that one term down, that is minus 39x. Next our aim is we have to get x power 5. But here only x power 4 is there. By what we put here in the quotient, we will get x power 5 means that is minus x power 5 we have to get. That means if we write minus x with minus x, if we multiply x power 4, we can get minus x power 5. So I wrote in the quotient here minus x. So now we are going to multiply these whole terms by minus x. Minus x into x power 4 is a minus x power 5, and minus x into minus x power 5, and minus x into minus 2x cube is plus 2x power 4, and minus x into plus 2x square is minus 2x cube. Next minus x into plus 6x is minus 6x square, and minus x into minus 15 is plus 15x. Now we are going to change all this sign, the opposite sign, negative change into positive, positive change into negative, negative change into positive. Here also negative change into positive, positive change into negative. Now these two terms will be cancelled because they are the similar term and having a different sign, and both will be cancelled. Here this is having a different same sign, so we have to add and put this sign, so it become minus 9x power 4. Here also having the same sign, add and put this sign to become plus 18x cube. Here they are having the different sign and put the larger number sign. Here the larger number is a minus sign. If we subtract them, we are getting 18x square. Here the both are having the same sign, so we are adding and putting this sign, so minus 54x. Now we are bringing the another term for that simplification. So we are bringing this 135 down, so plus 135 we got it now. Next our aim is we have to get minus 9x power 4, but here we have only x power 4 is there. Now what number if you write in the quotient, we will get minus 9x power 4, that is nothing but minus 9. So now we are going to multiply the whole the factors by minus 9. So when you multiply by minus 9 into x power 4 will become minus 9x power 4. Next one, minus 9 multiply with minus 2x cube, we are getting plus 18x cube, and minus 9 into 2x square is minus 18x square, and minus 9 into 6x is minus 54x, and minus 9 into minus 15 is plus 134. Now if you have to change all these signs and we could find out all these terms are same, so and they are also having the different sign. We can cancel all of them, and finally we are getting the remainder is equal to 0. Now we found out the other factor. The other factor is x square minus x minus 9. Now we have to factorize this one in order to find out the value of x, but here we cannot go for the factor method, so we are using the formula to find the value of x here. The formula is x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here the value of a is equal to 1, value of b is equal to minus 1, and value of c is equal to minus 9. Now we are going to substitute this value in this formula, and we are trying to find out the value of x here. When you substitute in the equation, the place of minus b is a minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus b the whole square is minus 1 the whole square minus 4 into the value of a is equal to 1 into c value is a minus 9 divided by 2a is nothing but 2 into 1. Now this minus into minus will become plus, so x equal to 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 the whole square is a plus 1 plus, and minus 4 into minus 9 will become minus into minus is a plus, and 4 into 9 is a 36 and divided by 2. Now x equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 36 is a 37 divided by 2. Now we found out two more values of x, that is 1 plus root 30 square root of 37 divided by 2. Then another one is 1 minus square root of 37 divided by 2. And finally we found out all the 6 values of x, that is called the roots. Hence the roots are 1 plus 2y, 1 minus 2y, root 3, minus root 3, and 1 plus root 37 divided by 2, and another one is 1 minus root 37 divided by 2. Finally we found out 6 roots for this, the equation which has the degree 6.